Why do you gain clarity? Why do you decrease anxiousness when you journal? It's because there's a world happening inside of you, but you cannot see it. It's haunting you. It's calling to you. It's confusing you. It's scaring you. My easy process is this. Before you open a journal, clean your antenna. What do I mean by this? Some people run from their work, from their street, from their busy life. They open a journal and they start writing. That's not necessarily the best way to tune into the transmission that's happening within. Set your analog timer for a few minutes. 1, 2, 3 minutes. That's how you extend the antenna. That's how you clean it to ensure that the water in the well has a chance to calm. So the first thing is few deep breaths, sit in silence, let the water calm down. Then open your journal and do what I call a spill and sort. What do I mean by spill? Whatever came up in your silence that is still sticking with you.